In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to delete indicators on Webull. If you're looking to clean up your stock charts and focus only on the data that matters most to you, removing unnecessary indicators is a great way to start. Let's dive into the process and simplify your Webull desktop experience. First, you'll need to open the Webull platform and sign into your account. If you haven't already done this, just launch the application and enter your login details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the stock chart that contains the indicator you want to remove. This is where you'll manage your indicators and make any necessary adjustments to your chart. Now, take a look at your chart and locate the section that lists all the active indicators. This section displays all the tools and metrics you've added to your stock chart to assist with your analysis. By organizing this list, you can have a clear view of the stock's performance without the clutter. Once you've found the indicator you wish to delete, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice various options appear when you hover over the indicator name. Here, you're looking for the remove or delete option. This is typically represented by a small trash bin icon or a simple X beside the indicator name. Click the remove or delete option, and just like that, the indicator will be removed from your chart. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few seconds, allowing you to immediately see a cleaner, more focused chart. If you have additional indicators you want to remove, you can simply repeat this process. Each time you hover over an indicator and select the delete option, it'll be instantly taken off your chart. This gives you the flexibility to customize your viewing experience as often as needed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to delete indicators on Webull. By streamlining your charts, you can improve your analysis and make more informed decisions. Hopefully, this guide has helped you achieve a more organized and efficient setup. Thanks for watching and happy trading.